The northeast mountain wind brings a raw energy of renewal and invigoration, stirring your senses and calling you to embrace adventure. Its arrival challenges you to step out of stagnation and infuse your dream with action. As the wind flows from the mountain, it carries with it the transformative power of nature, reminding you to trust in the guidance of your vision. Whether it's a new project, goal, or phase of life, the intercardinal northeast wind encourages you to harness its force and propel yourself forward with confidence. This is a time of awakening when you can breathe life into your aspiration and move toward growth and renewal. That's the call. I'm going to invite in the northeast mountain wind to work with us today for this day of independence, this voting request that I'm making for you. May you be invigorated by this wind to vote. And you have to vote today or tomorrow. All right. The voting ends on the 6th. And I would really love to be at that award ceremony next week, getting some awards. So let's call to the northeast mountain wind of beginnings. Breathe in. And hold it. On this next wind breath in, breathe in all that's new for you, all that you want to create. And on this third wind breath in, breathe in the renewal and that fresh wind for the entire world, our entire circle, that we can start to breathe together again. Remember, we're working with the northeast wind of new beginnings.